right. This is super gross. Challenge accepted. Watching Shade Tree Surgeon and his friend Aubrey. They had a banana split with easy cheese. And I said, wow, that's really disgusting. That is gross. And I said, challenge accepted. Challenge accepted. I don't know if I can even do this, but I'm gonna do this. Easy cheese on a banana split. All right. What could go wrong? It's gotta be Neapolitan, right? Strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. Because you gotta try all the flavors with it. FYI. If this falls over and I make a mess, I'm gonna get killed. But anyways, oh, banana first. Banana first. Alright. Do we really need to split the banana? Alright, we'll split the banana. Whatever. Alright, it's in chunks. That's not so bad. What's next? Oh, ice cream. Oh, yeah. Ooh, a little soft. That's alright. That's alright. A little bit of chocolate. A little vanilla. And what is this? Strawberry? Cherry? Strawberry? A little strawberry action. Looking good already. Put this away. Put this away somewhere. Alright, she, Aubrey Honey put on, so Shade Tree made the video with Aubrey Honey. And they both put out a video. I'm going to put the links in the description. And I'm going to call someone out on this too, because I'm going to see if they'll do it. If they'll do this challenge. Alright. I think she put on some pineapple chunks. Gotta have some pineapple chunks. Some jelly. Oh yeah. A little bit of jelly in there. What did we do next? Oh, chocolate. Gotta have chocolate, right? So far it's not so bad. I mean, I could eat that at that point. Chunks. Cool Whip. Just went to the store and got all this too. Just for this. I had to look for the easy cheese. I didn't know where it was. Oh yeah. That's one of the workers. Where's that crap in a jar or can? Aerosol? Gotta have cherries. Cherries. One, huh? Oh yeah. Ooh, those don't taste so bad. It's not so bad. I should just stop right there and eat it. Alright, bananas, cherries, pineapple. Okay. Now for the main ingredient. Oh. Oh, that's gonna be yeah, cheddar. All right. And my finger, I should have worked my finger out for this. And we go. Cheese, cheese, more cheese, more cheese, more cheese, more cheese, more cheese, more cheese. Oh yeah, all cheese, all the cheese. Oh yeah, yeah, that's it. Here we go. Empty can of cheese. I've been working my way up for this all day. I want to call out He's got a new channel. He just came out not too long ago, a year ago. Big Smitty Riding. I just started watching him like 2 days ago. It was hilarious. I'm calling you out, man. You gotta try this. Big Smitty Riding. I'll put Shadetree, arabhoney, and Big Smitty into the down in the description. Okay, here we go. Here we go. What side do I wanna? What side is what now? I don't even know. It's all melting together. All right. Oh, should we get a thumbnail? Huh? Banana split, baby. Thumbnail. Okay. Oh man, just gonna go for it. Just gonna go for it. Mm. All the flavors are right there. Right there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, it hits you right now. Holy man. Yeah. Got a cherry. Strawberry in there. Is it? Can't tell what's what right now. Oh. Oh, did I get banana in there? I get that banana in there. Okay, there we go. Hold on. Get cheese in there, right? That's just wrong. That is just wrong. The flavor hits you right now. Right now. Right now. Gagging a little bit. All right, let's try a cherry. Got the cherry here. I don't know what it is, but chocolate does not mix well with the cheese. I'm gonna go vanilla side. Yeah. Oh, here's some banana. Here's some banana. I can't wait. If you guys want to just do this, send me the link to the video. I would love to watch and laugh that you eat this. If you want to, the taste is right there. Was it? Or what is this? A call out, or if you just want to do it yourself, eat this. I want to see it. Send me the link. Oh my God, I don't know if I can eat it all. That is, oh my. It's definitely better with vanilla, not the chocolate. Oh God, help me. Come on now, got this. Well, the flavor. If you can finish all this, you are a biker. This put hair on your chest. Or not. Probably not. Oh my God. You know who I'd like to see do this? DaBeard. DaBeard on his Thursday night show. I'd like to see you. I challenge you to eat this. Easy cheese banana split. Ah, man. Come on, man. Ooh, I got banana. Banana, cheese, vanilla. It's all melting together. It's just wrong. It's just wrong on a lot of levels. I don't think I can eat much more. I think I've ate a lot of the cheese, which is important. Oh. Ay. I think I'm done. I think I'm done with this challenge. I challenged myself. I'm challenging Smitty. And I'd like to see the DaBeard eat this. Whew. I ate a lot of the cheese, but yeah. I think I'm done. That is really good. That was really good. I just want to save the rest for later because I don't eat it all at one time. I like to save some, you know? Maybe share it with my friends. All right. Please like, subscribe. Smitty, I can't wait to see you eat this. Till next time, yo. If you decide to do this challenge on your own, whatever, send me the link. I want to see this. Oh, man. That's nasty.